Hello everyone, this one here is a iodine gallium lamp which can emit strong UV light. This lamp has a rated power of 500 watts and here is a 150 watt metal halide lamp ballast. This one is an inductive ballast, and this one here is a trigger, high voltage trigger for initial start of the arc tube. And here I have wired this setup. So let's take a quick look. First, turn the power supply to the variac. Here is a microwave oven transformer in series with the variac. The secondary coil is in parallel with this halogen lamp. That lamp has a cold resistor of around 8 ohm. So when I turn up the voltage on my variac, the primary coil current will rise up and the secondary will because the secondary is in parallel with a small resistor, so this transformer will saturate. So the voltage across the primary coil will be very short, only around 4 volts. This transformer is for short circuit protection. If the output of my variac is shorted, this one will limit the short current on the primary side. And here is a circuit breaker. When I turn it on, it will short out this transformer, so I can have a fully input of my variac. You can see this is only rated for 150 watt because it can't provide such high voltage for the initial start. I need to crank this up to around 250 volts, so this one will start. Let's take a look. I need to have my eye protection. Let's get started. There is a loosen connect. This one is not this base is aimed for G12 tube, and I here is simply direct plug the wires into the circuit into this base. Try another try. Okay, and short out the transformer. You can hear the humming. Oh, strong, the ionized air. Strong, strange smell. Strong UV light. Right? Okay, turn it off. You can see the tungsten electrode has been burnt red just now, and that is the iodine gallium lamp. Thanks for watching.